Good morning. I feel so relaxed today.
Good morning. Why are you so happy?
Because it's Sunday. No work, no stress.
Sunday? Are you serious?
Yes, I even made pancakes.
Wait, it's Monday.
Drama does taping with bass?
What? No. No.
Yes, Monday morning.
You're joking, right? Please tell me you're joking.
I wish I was. You have work in 20 minutes.
20 minutes? I thought today was Sunday.
Well, surprise! Happy Monday!
This is a nightmare. I need more sleep.
You slept for 10 hours. That's not the problem.
Then what is the problem?
Your calendar. You didn't check it.
I checked it yesterday.
Yes, but yesterday was Saturday.
Oh no. I skipped a day.
You skipped reality.
This is so unfair. I was mentally on Sunday.
Your mind is on vacation.
Don't joke. This is serious.
Okay. What's your plan now?
I don't have a plan. I need to get ready.
Fast. Very fast.
Why didn't you wake me earlier?
You said, "Don't wake me, it's Sunday."
I said that?
Yes, very confidently.
Oh my goodness. I trusted myself.
That was your first mistake.
Not funny.
Just a little funny.
Okay. I can do this.
That's the spirit.
Where are my keys?
On the table.
Where's my bag?
On your shoulder.
Oh, I'm not okay.
I can see that.
Wait. Why are you so calm?
Because I work from home.
What? That's not fair.
Life is unfair.
I'm leaving. This is the worst Monday ever.
Good luck. Don't forget it's Monday tomorrow too.
Stop! I can't handle more truth.
Have you ever thought it was Sunday, but it was actually Monday? Comment below and share your story.
Thanks.